welcome to or back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a clean and organize with me video. It's been quite a while since I've done one of these. I personally love watching these videos. I feel like they just inspire me to be productive and to obviously clean and organize. So I am in need of cleaning and organizing. I was already planning on doing it today, so I just thought I would film it because it's been a while since I've done one of these videos. I actually just got back from Starbucks. I like to give myself a little motivation before I get started on cleaning, so I did go and get myself a Starbucks. I actually had enough stars to get a free drink today. I decided to treat myself. Today I'm going to be dusting. I actually just recently got some new furniture, but it's probably been, I think I actually set it up a week or two ago now, so it might be getting a little dusty now. So I wanted to stay fresh and clean. Pretty much every Sunday, like once a week, I like to really kind of like deep clean, like dust, vacuum. I wash my makeup brushes. I like to do that on Sundays. I just feel like Sundays is kind of like the beginning of the week, kind of like a nice little reset day. It definitely does not happen every Sunday, so maybe like every other Sunday. Also, I did film myself organizing and kind of decluttering probably a few weeks ago. It was actually before I got my new furniture, so I will actually insert those clips because my vanity was super cluttered and just like really messy, so I took a bunch of things off of it and just made it look like way less cluttered, and it just looked so much better. And I actually filmed it for a different video, but I don't think I'm going to include it in that video, so I'm going to put it in this video. I also decluttered all of my desk drawers and just made them look really nice. One of my desk drawers was filled with all of my school stuff, like all of my like textbooks and notebooks and just tons of stuff for school. But I'm now graduated, so I don't really need a drawer full of school stuff anymore. Super weird to think that I'm graduated. So I took all that stuff out of that drawer and basically just took another drawer that was just jam-packed full with stuff and just kind of redistributed it into another drawer and just kind of reorganized my drawers. So I recorded that as well. That was also a couple weeks ago. I've been kind of pulling items randomly out of my closet, and I have like a little pile for Poshmark, so I've got quite a few items built up. So I might actually list some things on Poshmark because it's been a while since I've updated my Poshmark, and I have quite a few items that I don't really want that I could be selling or getting rid of. But I might go through the rest of my closet. It's not going to be like a huge closet clean out by any means, but just kind of quickly going through my closet and see if there's anything that I might want to get rid of along with the other things I pulled out. Okay guys, I have dusted. My room is looking super fresh and clean. Now I'm just going to go through my closet. If you haven't seen any of my closet videos before, this is where I keep all my Poshmark stuff. My closet has these built-in shelves, so this is all stuff that is currently listed on my Poshmark. So definitely follow me on Poshmark. Shop my Poshmark closet for any of these items. These are all items that I've just kind of pulled out of my closet that I'm not really using or wearing that I need to list on my Poshmark. I might quickly go through the rest of my closet, even though I did just do a big closet clean out, and see if I can just find anything else that I want to sell. I might do like another closet clean out at some point because I just feel like I need to like really dig deep and like really do a full closet clean out. Definitely gonna list those things on Poshmark soon. I might do it today, I might not, because I have a bunch of other things I need to do today. But I just wanted to kind of film me deep cleaning my room. This is kind of like, I do this almost every Sunday, not quite. I think I did vacuum last week though, because my floors are actually looking pretty clean, so I don't think I'm gonna vacuum. I think that's actually all I'm gonna do today, but I'll show you the clips from when I kind of like decluttered and organized a couple weeks ago and completely decluttered the top of my vanity. It was actually probably a couple weeks ago now, but it's super satisfying, so I'm gonna show you those clips. My dresser is really looking messy actually. I kind of started to pick it apart and then I realized I should be filming this. So I normally have this little perfume tray up on here. I kind of feel like it's not really belonging because a lot of the perfume that I have is just really old, really from like 5 years ago. It's a One Direction perfume, and this was the first perfume they came out with. Probably don't want them out anymore since I'm not even wearing them. I feel like they're just taking up a lot of space. I wear this Glossier fragrance every single day. Like it smells better than anything, and I never wear anything else. Like it's truly just my everyday scent. Never really showed you what my dresser looks like afterwards, and because that footage was filmed a few weeks ago, maybe even a month ago, it was quite a while because I noticed when I was editing I didn't have acrylics on. I had like my at-home dip nails. Anyways, by now I have gotten my new furniture that I ordered from IKEA. I'm in the middle of like a room transformation video, which should be up later this week. Anyways, since I didn't show a good after, here is what my dresser looks like now. I kind of decluttered it, but I didn't really have anything on it at that time. I think I went to Target right after that to look for decorations, so that's why I never showed what it looked like afterwards. But now I have this little pampas grass and some books that I ordered. So this is what it looks like now. It looks super clean and decluttered. result of the decluttering. I think it looks much better now. I got rid of one of the makeup brush holders because they were really just makeup brushes that I don't use. And then I got rid of one of the lipstick holders because I definitely don't use those lipsticks on a daily basis. I just picked out some of my favorites to store in this smaller lipstick container. I also had a lot more palettes out that just kind of accumulated, so I just picked a couple of the ones I use actually every day. So just kind of trim down on the clutter. I think that's probably all for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to give it a big thumbs up if you'd like to see more kind of like productive cleaning videos on my channel. Subscribe if you're not subscribed. Turn on that notification bell. I'm currently doing 30 days of videos, so definitely check back tomorrow for a new video. I'm posting every day for 30 days. I did miss a couple days earlier in the week, like over the weekend, but I am back on track, hopefully. Make sure to check back tomorrow for a new video. Follow me on Instagram at emilygrace.26 for just daily kind of like life content and updates. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.